Welcome back! We start with a delicate blue floral slip dress. The strategic thigh slit is a great styling trick. It breaks up the midi length, beautifully elongating the legs. A white off-shoulder boho dress. The neckline highlights the collarbones, a universally flattering feature, while the colourful embroidery acts as built-in jewellery for a resort-ready look. A white satin top and black tailored pants. This is a masterclass in contrast. The fluid drape of the silk softens the sharp trousers, creating an effortlessly sophisticated aesthetic. A dark green top and an asymmetric grey skirt. The asymmetric hem is genius. It creates a diagonal line that makes the legs appear longer, while the earthy green adds a rich tone. Fusing menswear with feminine tailoring in a navy halter tuxedo dress. The halter neck broadens the shoulders for a powerful stance, offering a striking alternative to a standard blazer. A white sleeveless ruched mini dress. A loaver ruching is the ultimate figure flattering tool. It creates a highly textured surface that smooths over the body and enhances your natural curves. For a playful daytime touch, this cherry print dress features a ruffled sweetheart neckline that instantly draws the eye upward. A breathtaking white strapless gown. The clean bodice provides a minimalist canvas, while the double slits create strong vertical lines for height and dynamic runway movement. This black off-shoulder dress beautifully merges gothic romance with boho chic. The sheer bell sleeves and fringe hem add incredible weight and sway to your silhouette. Never underestimate a simple grey ribbed dress. The vertical ribs create a subtle optical illusion that skims the body, providing a highly polished off-duty model silhouette. A long-sleeve black turtleneck mini dress is all about the rule of proportions. By keeping the arms and chest covered, the mini length takes center stage elegantly. This black mini dress features adjustable side drawstrings. Adding a vibrant blue micro bag is a smart color-blocking hack to break up the monochromatic black canvas. We finish with a navy slip dress crafted from liquid satin. The way this fabric drapes exudes expensive elegance, requiring zero heavy accessorizing. Which styling secret is your favorite? Comment below.